Dave app is designed to help users manage parts of their everyday finances, but whether it is worth keeping after 90 days depends on how often you use its tools and whether they fit your routine. After 3 months, the biggest questions are simple. Does the app make managing money easier? Are the features useful for your situation? And does it provide enough value compared with other options? By the end, you will know what to look at during a 90-day Dave app review, what factors determine whether it is useful, and how to decide if you should keep using it. The first thing to review is how often you actually use the app. An app can have useful tools, but the value depends on whether you check it regularly and use the features available to you. The second thing is your personal financial routine. Some people need more help tracking their money, planning expenses, or organizing their accounts. Others may not use those features often enough to make the app worthwhile. A 90-day review also gives you enough time to notice whether the app fits naturally into your daily habits. Look at whether it saves you time, makes information easier to understand, or helps you make better decisions. Another important step is checking the costs and terms connected to the service. Before continuing with any financial app, review the current pricing, available options, and account settings so you understand what you are using. User experiences can vary because everyone has different financial situations. A feature that helps one person may not be useful for someone with a different routine or different needs. The best way to judge Dave after 90 days is to compare the benefits you actually received with how often you use the app. If you regularly use the tools and they simplify your financial tasks, the app may provide value. If you rarely open it or do not use the available features, it may not be the right fit. The main points are clear. A 90-day review shows your real usage. Your financial habits determine the value, and checking the current terms helps you make an informed choice. Your next step is to review your last 3 months of usage and decide whether the app is helping you manage money more effectively. If this review helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical app breakdowns.